Hey, it's an order packing day. Today I will be packing not one, not two, but 4 orders. I've never had so many online orders at once, so I'm super excited. Our first order is for Ben. They got the gold Tanzanite magnetism bracelet. Tanzanites are a December stone. They're also compatible with Geminis, Libra, and Sagittarius. They're known to help exhaustion, communication, and spiritual growth. I generally put in gifts for full price orders only, but I am feeling very generous with Christmas around the corner, so everyone's getting a gift today. So I am going to be adding this gift, which is a sunstone and iolite necklace that I had made. Thanks heaps for your order, Ben. Our next order is going all the way to the US. We have a fire quartz palm stone. This beauty was the last one that was left in my shop. So the fire quartz is known to give you energy and it's good for communication and concentration. And now it will be going home to Anna. So my large crystal order just arrived and there are some cute items inside which I am wanting to gift away today. Luckily they came just in time. There will hopefully be an unboxing video coming up. Don't mind me trying to cut through the box. I am right-handed, but I'm trying to manage with my left. It's so nice of them to be sending me a gift. I am very curious to know what's inside. I've just located the LED lights that I've been wanting to restock in my shop. Our customs don't allow too many by air, so I am hoping to get them by sea in bulk. I had ordered some mini crystal trees. I believe this is a carnelian red agate. I chose this piece for Anna because I believe it matches perfectly with the fire quartz. By matches, I'm referring to the colour, so don't come at me. They come in the cutest little vases, and this one's got a pink bottom and a neck. Thank you so much, Anna. I hope you love your order. We have another order going to the US. I actually had to Google how to pronounce this name because I'm not too familiar with it. This order is for Jose or Jose. I am so sorry if I am butchering your name, but I do want to pronounce your name correctly. So let me know how I did. This beautiful human ordered our rose gold, rose quartz, sterling silver ring. All of the rings that I stock are adjustable on the bottom, as you can see. Here I am just polishing the ring with a sterling silver cleaning cloth. This is what I always do when I receive orders for the rings, so that they can arrive to you all nice and sparkly. Okay, this is one final look at the ring just before I pop it into the box. All of our rings do come in these little boxes, so they are ready to gift away. Nice and cute. Look at that sparkle. Perfect. Now it's time to add a gift for Jose. I have opted to include this rose quartz mini tree. This was the only rose quartz one that was in the arrival today. So this one's got a little blue bottom and a blue neck. Very, very cute. I absolutely love these, and I have just found some glue which I removed off camera, and this is another look at the little tree. So I am adding a little piece of paper to this order which tells you exactly how to adjust your rings properly to avoid the stones from falling out and disforming the band. Thank you, Jose. Our final order for today is for the beautiful Nicole. She reached out to me and notified me that she had injured herself, unfortunately, and that they won't be able to go on their family holiday this Christmas. So she has decided to get her children gifts, and I'm so grateful that she has chosen to do so for my little shop. I wish you a very speedy recovery, and I do hope you get well soon. Nicole chose the dainty ruby ring. These do react to the blue light. It is not so visible here, so just give me a moment. I have brought my rings to a darker room, and I'd like to show you how the rubies have a UV reaction to the blue light. They light up a neon pinky kind of colour, and these are some of my ambers that do that little magic trick as well. Here I'm just playing with the blue light on my rings like a little kid. My inner child wants to play. I have polished the ring off camera. Now it goes into this little gift box. I'm just popping the lid on and setting it aside to make some room for the next items. Up next, we've got the clear quartz on the stand. This one is from Brazil. So the clear quartz is known as the master healer, which relieves negativity and improves the quality of life. This crystal also amplifies the energies of the crystals around it. So be cautious when you're pairing this crystal with your other crystals. The last item for this order is a flower, agate and green quartz tower. This one is definitely a stunner. It's got so much character to it and I absolutely love it. So here is a final look at Nicole's order. I have to say the tower and the clear quartz look stunning together. Why didn't I realize this combo before? So to this order, I will be adding this necklace that I had made. This necklace has sunstone and labradorite. So the sunstone is known to bring joy, energy and strength, and it is said to attract the powers of the sun, while the labradorite is a spiritual protector. Nicole, I hope this necklace brings you health and heals you quickly. I'll be adding a golden butterfly bookmark, which I had made. The butterfly represents transformation, personal growth, and evolution. So I will set that aside and grab the last gift for the order, which is a little mini tree. So this tree, which I believe is a carnelian, I'm not 100% sure. Carnelian is known to bring happiness and protect you from accidents and the evil eye too. Ring adjustment info paper. Thank you, Nicole. I hope the kids love their gifts and I hope everybody loves their orders. Stay safe, people. I'll see you next time. Bye.